what's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to make your avatar in Roblox all black, like mine is right here. What you're going to do first, or this is the free method. I'm going to show the method that costs 10 Robux afterwards. So you go to skin tone. You're going to want to pick the darkest black option, and you're going to want to go to torso and then pick the lighter shade. Or actually, I think this is a little darker. Yeah, so I don't know why that's showing up as white. It's not supposed to be doing that. Roblox the avatar page has been acting up recently, but in game it should work properly. So you're just gonna want to do the lighter shade, sort of like that. That's as black as you can get unless you have Robux. So if you have Robux, you can actually get the invisible shirt and invisible pants. As you can see from here, I've uploaded them multiple times before, but Roblox decided, hold on, let me take these down because naked Roblox characters are against the TOS. So, like, I have to re-upload these. I keep having to buy premium to re-upload all these clothing because I'm getting Robux from it, and it's helping out people. So, yeah, once you buy these two, which will be linked in the description, you should be able to equip them to your avatar, and all black hiders and breaking point. It's a free real estate. Alright, yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.